Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I go from this to this. Please stay tuned if you want to see how I get this Christmas look. Let's get started. So first, starting out with my Ole Henriksen Brightening Cream, we're going to apply this all over my face and it literally smells so good. It smells exactly like an orange sundae. Then we're going to take some tape and then we're going to take our concealer here and apply it all over our lids for our base. So we're going to blend this out to make sure we have a really nice even flat base, and then we're going to blend in with our first transition color. Today I'm using this Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil as my first transition shade, just to brighten up my eyes and make sure there's quite a bit of depth. Now I'm going to take my Morphe 35B palette and apply this all over my face. And it's not 35B, it's 35O. I don't know why I said that. Alright, so we're going to take these two brown shades, one lighter shade here, and then a bit darker of the same color range. We're going to blow off the excess and then start blending that into our crease. So I'm putting that a little bit lower so that we really get some great definition, and then running that against my lash line and against that tape. And then we're going to take this ColourPop color in Paradox, and this is like a nice cranberry shade. It looks like there's shimmer in it, but there isn't. So we're going to apply that on top of both of the brown, on top of all three of the browns actually, and then slowly apply more and more each time I pick up some more. I don't want to put on a bunch to begin with because I don't want it coming off too cranberry. So we're just going to blend that into our crease, and then we're going to take a fluffy brush, the ones that I use with the browns, and just kind of buff that more into the existing shades. And then taking a little bit more of that Paradox and running it a little bit lower against that outer edge. Then I'm going to take this Morphe 30, oh my gosh, I cannot say numbers today, 12P palette, and I'm taking the red shade here. And I'm applying that on top of the cranberries and brown colors. So we're just brightening it up with a cranberry and a red, so it really has that nice Christmas color range. So I'm really adding that to that outer edge and then sweeping it all the way to that inner corner. So we really wanted to make sure it pops, but also keep it played down with those brown colors. So I'm going to just buff that out again. And then I'm going to take some white just eyeshadow and apply that on that inner side and then run it underneath my brow bone just for right now. Then we're going to take some concealer. This is the same one I use for my base. This is the Tarte Shape Tape. We're just putting that on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to take a flat shader brush here, pick it up, and then we're going to cut our crease. So I start on the center of my lid and then I apply it to the inner thing, and then look up so I can see exactly where the best place for me to continue cutting my crease. So I sped it up, but I'm just cutting my crease and following it with my contour. Oh my goodness. With my concealer. And I'm applying that all the way out. And then I'm coming in and just making sure I got it all cleared up. And then I'm going to take this light white, it's a setting powder, but I'm just going to use it all over my eyes. So I'm picking that up on the opposite side. And then we're just applying that all over the cut crease. So I'm just making sure it stays in place so that I can add other colors on top of it if I need to. And then this will help for later if it won't spread around. So I'm just making sure. And then I'm going to take whatever's left on that pink brush that I used and just run that against the cut line, because I don't want it to be super harsh. So I'm just making sure I blend it out so that it has a really nice transition and flow. And then I'm going to take off my tape, and then you have a really nice line at the bottom. So I did all my foundation off camera, and then we're heading back to the eyes. So I'm going to use this Urban Decay glitter liner, and I'm going to make two different liners. So I'm going to do one at the top of my crease, and I'm just doing the same motion how I did with my concealer, and really making sure I get that nice clean cut line when I open and close my eyes, and then kind of dragging it out to that outer wing. And then I'm doing the same thing all along the lash line, so a regular liner wing, and then just connecting the two of them. So I'm dragging that all the way to the inner corner and then making sure I really connect them at the top so I get that full winged out glitter liner effect. Then I'm going to take this mascara and apply generously all over my lashes. Make sure you really coat your lashes because you're not adding any dark black liner to your actual lashes. And then get your lower lash line too. Then I'm going to take this Smashbox lip liner. It's in the color Nude, I think. And it's really fair on camera, but it has the right amount of skin tone color, at least for me, where I can see where it is, but it's not like super dark. Then I'm going to take this Bite lipstick, and then I'm going to apply this all over my lips. And this shade was a little too dark. I thought it was going to come off a little bit lighter, so I add another lip on top of it. So this is the Kat Von D liquid lipstick. And then I'm just going to apply that on top and really blend it in and make sure my lips are super defined and full and just booming, right? And then I'm going to take this setting spray and spray it all over my face to make sure this look isn't going anywhere. Yes. And this is the final look, you guys. I really hope you enjoy this Christmas glam look. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe and the like button if you guys want to see some more Christmas videos I have coming. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Toodaloo. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, happy holidays.